Ladies and gentlemen, we're called out here for swarm removal in Rockland County, and got David setting up. We got the supplies here. Dave, the beekeeper, and what you see up there, the tree, the bees, them swarming, landed on this nice tree, and we're gonna start working them right now. So that's part one. Dave, you want to take the video? Put your phone away.
No, I'll take my video. Picture.
Alright.
Gosh. I take a video of the whole thing?
Either.
I should take a video of the whole thing, Pat?
No, one, two.
I'm not in the mood. I'm never in the mood.
Slowly, you hit the tree, you want to hit them.
Oh, they're really high up.
Climbing up over.
It's a dark picture. Your phone takes dark video. No, it's not.
This is a little slanted, so I think it's the best spot. Chipping away at that
Can I
tree,
stop this? Make a stoppage?
Yeah, sure, stop it.
And
Do
then
whatever you
continue it? Phone doesn't stop.